Hi guys, it's AMS, and this video is about making money with Epiphany carousels and the different ways that you can make more money. And this is my favorite subject to talk about because I like making money. And I love that Epiphany is really, really flexible. And there's a couple different ways that you can make money. And each of them have their own pros and cons. And I also wanted to say that whatever your goal is, that is your personal goal. So whether you want to make $100, $200, $300, $5,000 a month, that is your goal. It's a great goal to start off with. And please do not get stuck in the Joe, what is it?
Comparison trap.
The comparison trap, and feel that your goal of making an extra $300 is not good enough as a goal as someone else who wants to make $5,000 a month. I always believe in building your business slowly and securely and gradually for the best outcome long term. Okay? All right. So there is several ways to make money on the carousel programs through Epiphany. The first is through the retail side of things. So when you are selling something through the retail carousel, that means you're going into the point of sale system. You are sending an invoice to a customer. Epiphany is going to ship it. You didn't have to carry any inventory. You didn't have to bring any of it in your house. You didn't have to ship it. All you had to do is bring the customer to the product, and then invoice the product, and then it goes out through Epiphany. You will be making a base of 25% and upwards. Okay, you will always get paid a base of 25% commission. Upwards into 35% if you just want to do sales. And if you're looking at the team side of it, there's potential to make all the way up to 50% on that one piece. Okay, the next part of your carousel is invoicing through the My Inventory side. So what that looks like is you have gone ahead and purchased the samples. You've paid for shipping on them. They've come into your home and now they're here. Now you can sell that through face-to-face, vendor events, fundraising events, people coming to your house, you going to their house, of course, also a mobile boutique. But what that is you are taking the inventory risk on yourself. You got to choose the style, the print, the sizes that come into your house. And you are basically going to be bringing customers to see it and touch it. And then you are going to either ship it to them, or you're going to be sending it in a bag and then sending them on their way. But you are doing a face-to-face business. You literally have those pieces in your possession. So what that happens is you're going to be invoicing them or accepting cash or credit card or check right through the point of sale system. And then you're going to send them on their way, right? That is going to earn you full commission. And to figure out what the commission is on each piece, you're going to take the retail dollar amount minus the wholesale price that it costs you, and that'll be your profit, okay? And so you do actually make more money if you choose to take the inventory in your house and the inventory risk on you. You will make full commission. You don't have to wait for the 25 and 35% to hit your account. The other thing I want to go back to is let's talk about how you get paid. So if you are selling only through the retail carousel, and that is again when Epiphany is shipping the pieces and you didn't have to touch it or have it in your house or anything, you will get paid every day to 25% as long as you are selling every day. You don't get paid on the weekends because they're closed on the weekend, so Monday's a great payday. Also, anything that you're selling every day, like I said, you'll make that money every day. That's at the sliding scale on your commission chart, okay? If you, at the end of the month, sell over 200 pieces, you will earn yourself full commission at the sales structure, the sales level, 35%. And again, you had no inventory risk. You didn't have to ship it. You didn't have to touch it. Epiphany's doing all the work for you, okay? So what that looks like is every day you're making that money, but then on the end of the month, actually the 15th of the next month. So what it looks like is you're selling all month long in September. You're earning your 25% on your pieces. You will always earn 25% on anything that goes through the retail carousel. And then on the 15th of October, they're going to look back and they're going to say, Amos sold 205 pieces, which means I earned 35%, which means I need to get paid that additional 10% on the 205 pieces. So they're going to get a cumulative total for the full value of what I sold that month, and they're going to send me a bonus check of that additional 10%. So it's going to be a fat check. That's going to be something that I'm going to be able to, pay my mortgage, my rent, my car payment. That's going to be a little bit more of a substantial income. Now, money is always going to be hitting your bank account. You're going to be able to see how much money you have hitting your Pay Quicker, your Epiphany credit card. Just go to the back office under e-wallet, hit Pay Quicker, opens up a new tab. You'll see how much money's coming in. You get charged 50 cents to transfer it from the online Pay Quicker account onto your bank. But you can choose, do you want to have it in your bank account, or do you want to put it right on the credit card that you would have received 7 to 10 days after you started? So that money is always available to you, and you can leverage it 2 ways. You can put some on your debit card, use it for gas, and then put the majority on your bank. However you want to work it, please remember that there's always a 50-cent charge for transferring it from the Pay Quicker into your bank. And then the next portion of making money is if you do have team. When you start to get up to fashion director and higher, you could earn anywhere from 41 to 50% off of full commission off of whatever you're sending out through the retail carousel. So for instance, if I was a fashion director and I sold over 205 pieces, I'm no longer going to earn 35%. I'm actually going to earn 41%. 41% for literally doing nothing but bringing customers and invoicing. And then if I get to the executive level, the highest level that there is, I would earn 50% commission off of my retail sales.
I think you got 50 on both the top 2 levels.
Both the top 2 levels will earn 50%, just said Joe. And that isn't even talking about the commission structure, not the commission structure, but the team commission bonuses that you make for having team. This is literally just about sales. So hopefully that gives you an idea of how to leverage the different carousels to make more money. Yes, you will actually make more money by carrying an inventory and selling it face-to-face. But again, there's a little bit of risk involved on your end. And if you don't want to deal with that part, you just want to sell through the retail carousel, your base commission is anywhere from 25 to 35%. And then, of course, team building is ideal for you to be able to do that same amount of effort and make anywhere from 41 to 50% on that same effort that you would have done. If you have any questions, just let me know. Thanks for watching.